Welcome back to my channel. I am announcing the winner to my last video's giveaway. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss out on any future giveaways. For today's prize, I am sending another lucky winner a little pedicure set to do at your home, since I understand that everything is closed right now, along with this really pretty orange nail polish from Young Nails, and of course the Profiles Backstage cuticle oil that is so bomb. If you guys are looking for a new cuticle oil, I do highly recommend these soak into your skin so nicely and they smell so good. So for today's winner, here she is. Congratulations, girl. Make sure you message me or email me, whichever one is easier for you. Now let's get right into the video. I am going to be showing you guys how to use the Kiara Sky Jelly Tips at your home. I understand that a lot of you may be looking to an alternative of acrylic nails or something that you would typically get in a salon setting. So here I am using the jelly tips in the long coffin shape. I'm going to be showing you how to use it from beginning to the design. So it comes with the tips, the number 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is the dehydrator, primer, builder gel, and the top coat. So first what you want to do is open up your tips. You are going to size the tips from sidewall to sidewall, making sure that they fully fit your nail. You want it to be perfect. You don't want it to be too big. You don't want it to be too small. So make sure that it's fully covering the nail. I am going to be sizing the rest of my nails, and you guys can kind of take a look at how I do that. Once you have finished sizing them, I'm taking the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro e-file and I put a fine sanding band on it. These sanding bands are from Profiles Backstage. I am going to lightly buff off the shine of my natural nail bed. You want to make sure that it is nice and matte so the application process goes nice and smooth and everything adheres properly to the nail. Now I'm just showing you on the rest of my fingers how I do it with the hand file. Because it is on my non-dominant hand, I wanted to show you guys that it is a lot easier to do it on your non-dominant hand with the hand file. Now, I will say this is such an easy, convenient kit for you to do at your home. It's super easy, and that's why I decided to do it on my non-dominant hand so you guys can kind of get a feel for it. Now I'm taking my dust brush from Kiara Sky as well, and I'm just making sure all the dust is off of my fingernails. Once we are done with that, you want to remove the shine from the inside of those tips with your e-file, and I'm gently buffing that off on all of the tips. Now I'm also filing the back side of the nail where it meets your cuticle area. You want that transition from your natural nail bed to the tip to be nice and flush, and that is why I am doing this step. Now we are taking the number 1. This is the dehydrator. You want to prep your nail bed by making sure all the excess oils are removed from your nail bed so everything adheres properly. This is going to be your first step. Once you are finished with that, we are taking the number 2, which is a primer. This is going to help everything adhere very well to the natural nail bed. This will cause no lifting and it will ensure that the nails last for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Now we are taking our number 3, which is the builder gel, and you want to remove the bulk product off of that brush, and we are going to paint on a thin layer of that builder gel, and we will repeat this on all of our fingernails. This kit does come with its own little flash curing LED light. So you want to take that and place all of your fingers individually into that light, cure it for the full 30 seconds that it is on. And you want to make sure everything is nice and cured before going into the next step. Once you're done curing all of your nails, we are going to take the step number 3 and place that builder gel at the back of the nail. Now you want to have your light ready to go to place the nail in there. You are going to place the tip by the cuticle area and gently push down. Applying pressure to the tip of the nail will move the product towards the free edge of the nail, and it will fully cover the nail and adhere it to your natural nail. That is exactly what you want. You want to cure it in the light for the 30 seconds. We're going to do the same thing on all 10 fingers. I'm applying gel to the back of that tip, making sure there's enough product on there. I'm turning on my light for these nails, placing it at the cuticle area and gently pushing down towards the free edge of my nail, and then sliding my finger under that light, making sure it cures all sides of that nail so it is adhered perfectly onto the nail. So if you are somebody that is struggling right now because you can't get your nails done, I do highly recommend this kit. It is super easy. You do not have to have any experience whatsoever with doing your nails. It comes with the written instructions just in case you feel like you need to look it over. But it is very, very easy. I do highly recommend it for anybody that's struggling without nails at this time. So check it out, you guys. I definitely love it, and you cannot go wrong with this at-home kit. You're done flash curing, I do recommend you go in with all of your nails and just kind of seal them in by curing it one last time. And then once you finish that step, you want to make sure you didn't have any leakage anywhere, and I did have it on one of my nails, so I'm going to be showing you how to remove that with the hand file. You just want to lightly file it off very, very gently. You do not want to mess up the shape that it comes with. Now I'm just taking my e-file and lightly going over the cuticle area just to make sure that everything is nice and flush to the cuticle area of my nail. You want to make sure that it doesn't look bulky in any way, so this is why I'm doing this step. We are going to be perfecting that shape. The tips do come with a little tab that kind of sticks out, so all I'm doing is taking my hand file and just shaving that down a little bit so it is gone. And then once you are done with that, you want to buff the entire surface of the nail. We are going to do this in preparation for the gel polish and design that we are going to be doing. For For this step, I am using the Profiles Backstage buffer. You can use any buffer that you like, or you can use this one. I will have the link down below for you. And of course, now I'm just taking a lint-free wipe and some swipe and just cleaning off all the dust and excess debris that may be left on the nail. I'm using Lunar or Later from Kiara Sky. This is a soak-off gel polish. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this onto my nail. So you'll want to do 1 coat first and then cure that coat. Do a 2nd coat. This is kind of on the sheer side, so you want to make sure that the coverage is perfect. That's why I recommend doing 2 coats. I am taking the Timeless Art Gel from Not Polish in the color white and a nail art brush. This is a super easy design to achieve. Anybody can basically do this. All you want to do is draw random lines onto the nail. I decided to go with kind of a letter Y on one of the sides and then just a slanted line down the opposite side. So what I'm doing is just using some alcohol and diluting some of the areas with that same brush. You want to kind of make it to where it looks smoky. This is exactly what you want to do to achieve that. So I'm just going in and blending it out just a little bit. And you can absolutely use different methods to creating this. You can use a white gel polish or nail polish as well. Just kind of play with it and see what works for you. And you want to cure that in the light before this next step. So now I'm just taking that same paint that I used and just darkening some areas up to give it more of that realistic marble look. Not forget, you want to cure this before you go in with your top coat because this is gel paint. I am taking the step number 4, which is their top coat. This does not have a tacky layer, which I absolutely love. I'm going to be doing a even coat of that onto all of my nails, and then we are going to cure in the UV light as well. Now I'm finishing off my at-home nails with the Profiles Backstage cuticle oil. I'm just placing that around my cuticles and rubbing it in. This stuff smells amazing, so I highly recommend it to you guys if you guys are interested. And of course, these are the results of my at-home nail art with my jelly tip kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys next time. For today's giveaway, I'm so excited to announce that it is being sponsored by Kiara Sky Nails. A huge shout out for the collab. So for today's giveaway, we will be sending 2 lucky winners the stay-at-home bundle for their jelly tip system. This is such an amazing product. I do highly recommend it for anybody wanting to do their own nails out of the comfort of their home. We all need to stay home and make sure we are protecting ourselves and our loved ones. This bundle includes 2 pedi packs and 2 gel polishes, so you can do your nails and your toes at home. How to enter? 1, make sure you are following both of our Instagram accounts. it is Kiara Sky, and V nailed it. 2, make sure you are subscribed to both of our channels here on YouTube. I will be checking. And 3, once you're done with the first 2 steps, make sure you comment down below your Instagram name, and I will be picking the winner at random. The winner will be announced in my next video, so make sure you follow the directions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.